Like I showed you guys that first demo and then I was just going to show you before and after kind of shot. So I turned it off, mounted my camera on there, and when I tried to turn it back on, it did not come on at all. Okay, so welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new ring light. I just bought this Neewer Ring Light, the 18-inch one from Amazon Prime. It was $99, and it comes with the ring light, the light covers, a white one and an orange one, a stand, and I think a cell phone holder too, and like a little camera holder. But yeah, so I'm just going to be unboxing it for you guys today. So here's the stand. I believe I read that this goes up to 9 feet. I don't know what this is. Oh, and here's your camera mount thing. Yeah, so I'm super excited to have this ring light. The lighting I use now is natural lighting and a light I found out in the garage, which is really bright, but it casts these really harsh shadows, as you can see behind me. I do not like that. So a ring light is what I got. I just wanted to make sure that I got a carrying case because I only have a few more weeks of high school left and I'll be going off to college, and when I go to the dorm, I want to have it stored in a safe place. And I could just like slide this underneath my my bed in my dorm, unless I get the top bunk, but you know, whew, that's the issue when it's on. So the first thing is this little gadget right here. Let's see what that is. Oh! So it is the plug, the adapter cord, then a Bluetooth remote. Oh, this is the camera stand that I was talking about. And, oh, here are the directions. And these are the light covers. So, I believe, what did I order? But, yeah, I think I ordered 76 watts of lighting. And this is a LED light bulb. So, LED, that was a big issue when I was ordering it. You have LED and fluorescent lights. LED lights typically last longer than fluorescent lights. You get like a 7-year lifespan versus the fluorescent light bulbs, and those last you 2 to 3 years. And like if they break, that's like $30 to replace the bulb, and I don't want to be doing all that. And LED lights, they typically last they are a little bit brighter than the yeah, they're brighter than the fluorescent lights, because the fluorescent lights, they came in wattages of 61, 55, and 41 watts. And I mean, that's good, I guess, but I want the best of the best if I'm just going to be spending my money, because this is $100. But if you ordered the fluorescent lights, it could have been $69, $76, and $89. I think those price ranges were. And then here's the light. Yeah, that's everything. So here's the light. Like I said, it's 18 inches LED lights right about here. And let me get my plug so I can plug them in. So this is what we looked like before, all these shadows that we have going on. And here's, okay, very important update. My ring light is on. It's, yeah, it's on all the way up. When I turned the camera off, this ring light, I turned it off, of course. Like I showed you guys that first demo, and then I was just going to show you before and after kind of shot. So I turned it off, mounted my camera on there, and when I tried to turn it back on, it did not come on at all. And I troubled it, I troubleshooted it, I checked these wires right here, made sure I plugged them in, and these, I'm scared to unplug it. And I kept twisting the knob on and off, trying to make it work. I unplugged it again and again, did not come on. And so what I just did that might have worked, I took this apart again and I blew into it. You know, like when your DS used to go out of, get overheated and you'd have to blow into it again. So I blew into it, tried to cool it off, I guess, and it finally turned back on. Moving forward, I honestly don't know what to say or what to think about this. This ring light was $99, essentially $100. So I'd be very devastated if it just flat out did not work at all after spending $100 on it. Yeah, I'm gonna sign up and get a warranty just in case anything happens. I don't know, I'll be playing with it for the rest of the day. If it gives me that issue again, I'll just go ahead and return it. But that's scary. Okay, so part 2 of our ring light extravaganza. Last time I made this video, well, last time I was filming this video, my ring light was not working. So I called the company, I did have a warranty on it, and they sent me a new cord. So when I told them that it wasn't turning on, oops, I'm in all of it here. So when I told people that the ring light wasn't turning on and it wasn't working, they told me to try out this cord that I'm about to whip out from the box. But what the adapter part that hooks to this and plugs into the wall, apparently it's got like a little box on it. Let me just open it so I can show you. So I got a new cord. So this part right here, this little brick part, this has a light on it and it's supposed to turn green when you plug it in. Mine was not turning green when you plug it in. Therefore, it is faulty, it does not work, and it will not turn on my ring light. So I was sent another one, and I hope this works, or else I'll be very, very upset. So got that part together. Oh, and when I called the customer service people, I think it might be a one-man show because only one man answered when I called, and I don't know what the deal is. He's in New Jersey. Maybe he has like a full-time job and this is like his side hustle or something. But he would only call me back like after 5 o'clock, which is strange because usually the workday is 9 to 5. So maybe he has like a regular job and then he comes and does this, but it's just him. He was nice, and at one point I felt bad for getting like a little bit upset because he seemed as though he was trying. Okay, so I've got this plugged into the wall. My adapter's plugged in. Please let this work. It works. Oh, and look. So my ring light is on. It is functional. I have it on the highest setting. And I just wanted to show you guys this like box. So this is the box I was talking about. So this is the box. As you can see, that green little light, that was not turning on before, and that's how I knew that it wasn't working. Overall, I would give this ring light either a 7 or 8 out of 10. And that's mostly because of the mishaps I had with it due to the faulty cord. I don't know what the deal with that. I read online that a lot of people's ring lights were going out like that. So I wonder if their cord was broken too, because they never did like a follow-up on it. They just sent it back. So I wonder if their cord was faulty too. So, and had it not been from the power scare and that faulty cord, I probably would have given it a 9 out of 10 because it's a really good buy, especially compared to like the Diva ring light. That's $300. But compared to the Diva ring lights, this is a really good buy. It is efficient. It's really bright, as you guys can see. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.